Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at max Olympiad problem. Find all the order pairs a comma b of positive integers for which a cube b minus 1 over a plus 1 and b cube a plus 1 over b minus 1 are both positive integers. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try to solve it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. Here some logic is there. That's why this question is selected. So here we know that a plus 1 divides a cube plus 1, and it is given a plus 1 divides a cube b minus 1. From this you can write a plus 1 divides a cube plus a cube b. That implies a plus 1 divides a cube of b plus 1 or 1 plus b. So here from this you can write a plus 1 divides b plus 1. So let it be 1 now. Now for the second one you will write b minus 1 divides b cube minus 1. Here it is given b minus 1 divides b cube a plus 1. That implies b minus 1 divides b cube plus b cube a. So here b minus 1 divides b cube into a plus 1. From this you can write b minus 1 divides a plus 1. Let it be 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get from 1 and 2 we get b minus 1 divides a plus 1 and a plus 1 divides b plus 1. So from this you can write b minus 1 divides b plus 1. Here b minus 1 divides b minus 1 now. So here b minus 1 divides 2. That implies b value you can take 2 or 3. Now the two cases will arise. First one is b value 2. B value 2, then a plus 1 divides 3. That implies a value 2. So which is a solution? Now if you take case 2, b value is 3. That implies a plus 1 divides 4. That implies a is equal to 1, 3 also. A is equal to 1 or 3. Which are solutions? Which are solutions? So therefore, the positive integer solutions will get a comma b will be 2 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 3. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.